Hi guys, as you guys can see in the title, I will be doing a Cyber Monday haul, and I will show you what I got when I was shopping on last Cyber Monday. So first things first is from Amazon, and I got a camera mount holder for my car so I can vlog. Yeah, so I had a mount like this before, but for some reason it won't stick in my dashboard, so I got a new one, and I feel like you can actually put this on the windshield as well, but I'm gonna try it out actually today, later on after this haul. So the name is, hold on, I'm looking at the paper. Ugh, it doesn't have a name. Let me check my phone. So this is a Archon camera windshield suction car mount for any vlogging cameras, and I got this for $15.89. Right here is the instruction on how to do it, and okay, so this is how it looked like. Okay, so it's adjustable. I think I gotta figure that out too. So, oh, there we go. So yeah, it's kind of like it will bend right there. Okay, so I'm gonna figure this out later in my car, but this is how it looks like, and it comes with this 3M foam, PF foam. I think this is when you put it in there, like the dash, and you can just suck this one at the windshield. So that's that. And it comes with the alcohol prep. Yeah, alcohol prep. I'm just gonna put it back so I can, because I'm using these evidence right now, so I can really like attach my camera and show it to you guys how it looks like. So anyways, that's that. Next one is from Ulta, and right here, for some reason they sent me 2 separate bags from Ulta. Right here, 2 just separate bags. But first thing first, we're just gonna do this. I already opened this up, so it's easier for me. The perfect gift is waiting inside. Okay, I'm gonna look that up later. All right, so I got some Kylie Cosmetics product. First, they were having sale for like the original price for her blush, I believe it's like $20-something, and I got the shade Close to Perfect right here. That's the packaging. I like it. It's black. So oh my god, it's pink. Look right there. And I want to try her blush and how it, like, you know, would come up, but that's the shade Close to Perfect. And I only paid $10 for this blush. And I also got, let's see, I also got lipstick. This is Kylie Jenner lipstick right here. I think this is like the bullet lipstick, Dulce de Leche Cream. It's the shade. I want to see the packaging too. Okay, so this is the packaging. Is black. I like it, and her name in the side. Oh my god, this is like the perfect nude as well, right there. And I paid, it doesn't say the price. Hold on, let me check my phone because there's price over there. Okay, so the lipstick is $10.20. So okay, yeah, that's that. And then next one is from ColourPop, and I got the, I think this is from ColourPop. Yeah, this is ColourPop brow pencil. I tried their pencil before, and I got the shade Soft Black right here. There, this reminds me of the my Anastasia one. It's like very the Brow Wiz, but the packaging is just white. So I really can't wait. There, that's how it looks like. And this one, I don't know if this was on sale, but let's see, it's $5.50 for this ColourPop brow pencil. So I really can't wait to try these. So let me just put it back there. And then last but not the least is the Morphe palette. It's actually from James Charles palette. I do have the bigger palette, but I sold it for some reason. I don't know why, but now they came with the smaller version with the mirror now, and it's only $26. Yeah, it's only $26 for this one. I was about to buy the Morphe palette as well, but it's a 350C or 350B, I forgot, but somewhere between those. And this one, the packaging is black right there, and oh my god, yeah, this really sold me out. Like the colors really sold me out, like especially the yellow ones right there. Can't wait. This is actually good for traveling as well because it's very compact. Like it's like a small perfect palette. Like you have your colors, you have your neutrals, you have your bold colors, everything is in here, plus with a mirror, so that's really good. So I can't wait to use this again. So yeah, I'm not gonna sell this because I actually needed this palette because, you know, it has a lot of colors, like everything. It has like everything in it. So that's that, and this is $26. Okay, so next one is, I don't know why they came with another paper bag, but it's from Kylie again. It's the Tequila Tan bronzer right here. This is $10 as well. They were on sale, so I want to try their bronzer as well because I love a good bronzer. And oh my god, that's the shade. It may look like very light because I have like 3 lights. I have like ring light and studio lights, so it may look really light on the camera, but it's really freaking cute. It's like, oh my god, this is like my perfect bronzer, and I can't wait to use it. So that's how it look like, and it comes with a mirror too, so that's really good. I'm just gonna put it back here. Okay, I'm still waiting on 2 stuff that I ordered online on Cyber Monday, but the one that I ordered from Shop Miss A, it's gonna be here probably like next week, and then the other one is maybe like later on this afternoon. So I may just insert the one from, it's a clothing, just a 2-piece from Boohoo, and I think it's gonna arrive, it's either tomorrow or today, but if I'm done filming this, I'm just gonna like insert the clip on, you know, to unbox it. So yeah, this is not from Cyber Monday, but I went to Ulta yesterday and I got, this was on sale actually, and this is the e.l.f. X Nabella collaboration with Nabella. She is a influencer, I believe, and this is like the perfect nude. I seen this a lot on my Instagram, and I was like, I want to try it, and they were not in the e.l.f. section anymore, and I was like looking around, and they were like in the clearance sale of the Ulta. So I only paid $10. I don't know how much is the original price for this one, like the set. It comes with like a lipstick and lip liner, so let me just open it up. Okay, so oh my god, look at the packaging, you guys. I love the packaging. It's very gold detail here and like some flowers and stuff. Is that flower? I don't know if that's flower, but it says e.l.f. Nabella XO Nabella Noor. I don't know if that's how, if I pronounce her name right. I'm not gonna swatch it right now because I do want to make a video of, you know, trying all the makeup that I purchased from Ulta. So yeah, that's the color, and the lip liner is this one as well. It's in like in a gold detail. There it says Myra Nude, something like that. So this is the pencil right there, and I like how I love pencil, lip liner pencil like this, so I can just like you know, sharpen it up. So I really like that. So I can't wait to try this one, like, you know, match it up, because I seen a lot of like not dark skin, but like tan, medium skin like me, and they're like the perfect nude for them. So hopefully this will be my perfect nude as well, because I do love my nudes. I love nude lipstick. That's just, you know, that's me. And next is, oh yeah, $10 for that one. I don't know how much is the original price. And also I do have a 20% coupon, so I use that as well. and I only paid $8 actually for this one. This was already on clearance sale, plus you know the 20% off, and you know it's $8. Yeah. Okay guys, the next one is 2 lip gloss from Makeup Revolution, and this is, I haven't tried this before. This is in a shade Head Turner right here. I really like nudes there, and this is like more lighter than this one. Yeah, I believe this is like lighter. And then the other one is in the shade Vow right here, right there. So I can't wait. The original price for this one was $7, no actually $6, and for my 20% off I only ending up paying $4.80, which is really good. So yeah, you know me, I love my nudes. And yeah, that's what I got from Ulta. Okay, next one. I know you're gonna tell me that if you see this paper bag, you're gonna say, Glenn, what are you doing? I do have a reason. I'm doing a Christmas shopping as well, and I'm also, you know, I'm not gonna keep this just for myself. I'm gonna give this to my family and friends, like, you know, like a Christmas gift. So anyways, I got myself more hand soap because they were only $3 yesterday. All hand soaps were only $3, and today is actually the three wicked candles for $9.50, which is, I might go there later. I don't know what time they close. Maybe they close like 9 or something. I have to double check the time. I'm close to the Bath and Body, so I don't really, you know, gotta worry about like the drive because I'm only like 10 minutes away from there. So anyways, I was thinking about buying online, but like, you know what, I want to go there because I want to smell the candles first before even purchasing them. But when I was shopping yesterday with the hand soap, I love the Paris candle and also the Ski Lodge. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but oh my god, I want to eat them. I want to eat the candles. If it's edible, like, I want to eat them. So anyways, I got myself a Mary Berry Kiss. This smells good. I got the lemon butter cream. I got the eucalyptus mint again, and I got a Mary cookie. This one smells really good. I love this one. And another cinnamon caramel swirl, this one. And I got a crushed candy cane. I also got more, I got 2, the peachy one. Actually, I have 2 of these, but it's already like in a box. I'm wrapping gifts like slowly, so I don't, you know, I don't have to worry about like, you know, wrapping them in all in one day. So anyways, I'm like slowly wrapping gifts for my family and friends. So that's why I'm gonna do tonight as well. So I'm gonna keep the ones that I like and give some of this hand soap to my friends for Christmas gift. So that's that. And I only paid $24.50 of all this hand soap. So that's that. Let me just put this back. Okay, so next one is from Target, and I got 2 lip liner from them. It's the NYX matte lip liner in the shade London. So this other lip pencil is going to be on my secret giveaway. I'm doing like a little like giveaway. I will be DMing like a subscriber or a, you know, like a follower that has been, you know, commenting on my videos, and I know that, you know, she's been there or he's been there. I feel like it's gonna be a she because it's about makeup, but yeah, I will be doing like a secret, you know, like winner or like a giveaway person. I will be giving or sending them makeup. So yeah, watch out for that. If you are gonna be a lucky winner, then just, you know, just stay tuned. So I got 2 of them for, I believe, $6 each. I have no idea, I forgot, but yeah. And I also got I want to try this one, you guys. This is a limited edition Physicians Formula right here. This is the butter bronzer, and you guys, you know how good the smell of the, you know, the regular bronzer, like it smells like coconut, but this one is, oh my god, it's 3 shades. There's one light bronzer, the other one is sunset bronzer, and then the third one is endless summer right here, and they smell so good. I believe this is $9.99, I remember, but yeah, this is limited edition right there. So I'm really excited to try this one as well. And then the next one is, this was yesterday. Actually, this too was separate like not 2 weeks, but like a week ago. And then this one is yesterday, so I just put them in one plastic bag. All right, so next one is this yellow top, and it's in the size medium. The regular price was $7, and I only got it for like $2.10. Don't mind my nails because I still have to file them, but yeah, that's that. And I wanna you know, get these just because, you know, if I'm filming a beauty video or a sit-down video, I can just like wear these. I know it's really cold outside and I can't wear this sleeveless tank top, but you know, this is really actually good if I'm just, you know, like filming like a sit-down video like this. So yeah, that is very comfortable as well. It's yellow. I love yellow. And then the next one, you guys, you will not believe what I see over there. Yesterday I was like, what? So I know I just got another jeans from Target as well, but this one caught my eyes as well. This is the Denizen from Levi's high-rise ankle slim. Okay, so that's that. You guys can see. And this is original price was $29.99, and look, I only paid $8.98, so that's really a steal right here. And I tried it on at the fitting room and it fits so perfect. I like how the cut as well, it's like in the ankle section, so I can pair this up with like a boots and stuff, like, you know, like a bodysuit as well. So yeah, this is really perfect. That's that. And it's very stretchy material as well, and it's kind of like a high-waisted. Yeah, this one right here. So that's really good. So yeah, like I said, it was $8.98, and the original price was $29.98. So no, $29.99, almost like $30. Okay guys, next one is from Marshalls, and I got 2 candles over there, and don't at me. I got the Gardenia Petals and a Peony Bloom right here. They're both $3.99, I believe. Yeah, they're both $3.99, which is like $4. But they smell really good as well. I'm thinking about just I don't know if I want to keep these or I'm gonna, you know, like make this as a gift, because I'm still gonna have, like I said earlier, I have to run to Bath and Body Works and get more candles for, like, you know, gifts and presents. So that's that from Marshalls. And I also got just a plain white mug because they were like $1. I don't know if this is the right price, because the white tag is $17.99, from $17.99 to $1. Are you kidding me? Or the tag is just not right. It's just like literally just a plain white mug. That's it. There's no print or anything. It's just a plain white mug. So I don't know if the price is right with the $17. So who will buy a plain white mug for $17? Last is from Home Goods right here. So this is a mocha. This is mocha. My friend Viola made me buy this mocha because she gave me a coffee, Italian coffee. If you don't know Viola, she's in like all of my vlogs recently. She's my friend of mine. She's from Italy, and she gave me a espresso. I believe the coffee espresso, and Italian coffee is different from American coffee or instant coffee. They're really strong, you guys. That's why they only have this like little cups, because that's how strong their coffee. And I was FaceTiming her what to get because they came up with the big one too, and I told her, how about if I just get the big one? It's only $8, you know, and this is $6.99. well, almost $6 because it's $5.99. It's only $2 more. And she said, no, don't get the big one, because if I drink too much Italian coffee, or I may start, she said, I may start panicking or something, because that's how strong their coffee is. This is the mocha, and I'm gonna FaceTime her again, or I'm gonna, like, you know, go to her house and let her show me the process of how to, like, you know, do this, because it's a lot of stuff in here. I think you put the water here, I don't know, and to put the coffee here, and then whatever. I'm gonna you guys, I'm gonna FaceTime her. I'm gonna Google or YouTube it and how to use this mocha. Okay, next one is a mug, coffee mug. If you know me, I love my coffee too. And I asked you guys on Instagram, I did like the little poll. There was like a black one and it's just say coffee, and then there's this one says life begins after coffee, and this one wins. And I actually called my friend as well. She's my friend Daryl. She's in Vietnam right now. She's a teacher. She's thriving. She's getting her points. So girl, thank you so much for choosing which mug is better. So I got this one instead for $3.99 right there, and it's a big coffee too, and it's so freaking good. I don't know, I just love mugs and I love coffee. I love nudes, everything. That's me. Hey guys, so this just literally came in the mail and I've been waiting for this. And let me just grab my scissor. And I ordered this Cyber Monday. So let me open it. It's just two stuff in here, which is like a coat and a top. And oh my god, look at this coat. I'm gonna insert a photo here so you guys can see how it looks like on the, you know, the lady. And it's so cute. And guess how much I paid for this? $20 something. I don't even know how much I paid for this. See, wait a minute, wait. So I only paid $26 for this one because they were like having a Cyber Monday sale, and I think the original price was somewhere between $62 right here. So that's how it looks like. It looks so different in the camera, but in the person it looks like a perfect cream, like cream white there. And it has a, oh my god, thank god I thought it was just like a fake pocket, so it's like a real pocket. That's good. I don't like fake pockets. I don't know why. I hate them. Like if you're gonna put pocket, you know, like a style pocket, just put real pockets, you know what I mean? So this is really good for winter. This coat is really good for winter, and it's heavy and it's very thick. And oh my god, I can't wait to style this coat. So that's that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ooh. This is a button waist plunge woven blouse, color ivory, and I'm UK 12. I just choose the 12. I don't actually know if this is gonna be my size, but yeah, this is how it looks like there. You guys can see like a sleeve. It's very see-through, so I don't know if this is gonna work out because it's very see-through. And I think I do have a nude bra, so I think I'm just gonna wear that. So this is really good. That perfect. They actually have black too, like this, but I didn't get the black one because I have too much black on my wardrobe, so I'm trying to switch it up with white or gray or maybe colored. So yeah, this is really cute, and I only paid $14 for this one. I believe this was somewhere in between $40. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna leave it in the description box below. I'm gonna try to find the link and, you know, just copy it and put it in the description box below if you guys are interested. Anyway, you guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like this haul full of makeup and coffee and stuff that I don't need. But anyways, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I'm doing a secret giveaway. I think I'm gonna choose 3 lucky winners, which is one in Instagram, one in YouTube, actually 2 in YouTube and 1 in Instagram. Like, you know, the people that actually been there and watching my videos and commenting on my videos. So because I don't like doing a, you know, like big giveaway and put it in my Instagram, like, you know, post it, and you know, a lot of people will just join because, you know, I'm having a giveaway, or they will just subscribe or follow me because I'm having a giveaway. I will actually want to give back to the people who's been there and supporting me. So yeah, watch out for that. And you know, I I don't want to put them, you know, out there. But I will just message them actually, and then, you know, give them a little surprise gift. So I think I'm gonna do that like in almost Christmas, or before Christmas, after Christmas. I don't know, because I'm still gathering some stuff. And yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like I said, like this video, subscribe on the channel, everybody, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.